Are you ready to dive computer program language? We are all about exciting technological world. Whether you are a censored pro or just starting out, NewGenTech is one stop shop for tech knowledge and related skills. So get ready to be inspired because in this channel we are going to learn together. For those who are new here, I am Dilham. Hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell because you won't want to miss what's coming up next. Let's get started. Today we are going to how to install VS Code. You have already VS Code, you can easily go forward. But those who didn't have VS Code, I will teach how to install VS Code easily. It's very important software for when learning computer programming languages. First, you should open web browser. In this time, I open Firefox. Then search VS Code. After searching, you can easily get a result. This is the VS Code site, and click that link and easily download it. I am already installed VS Code, therefore I didn't go that link. Now I open my Visual Studio Code, that is a code editor. When you need to some particular language develop using that Visual Code Studio. When you are learning Java, Python or such more languages, you need to first install the related particular extensions for particular languages. When you are going to learn C, you should search as a C and install that related extension. Like that, when you're learning what kind of languages, you should install the particular extensions for the related programming languages. This is the easy things for you. As an example, you need to download the Python language extensions. You should search the search bar Python. Then you can see the extensions related to Python language. Now I already installed the first one and second one. Therefore, I didn't install now. You can do that. This is the end of our video today. We take our next video to will start different kind of programming languages. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and goodbye.